Power BI is a business analytics solution that lets you visualize your data and share insights across your organization. This sophisticated business analytics service works to offer you powerful visualizations that you can interact with. Best of all, they have an interface that's so simple end users can generate their own reports from them. On top of this, the user experience is simple enough that nearly anyone can put together their own dashboards. While this might be acceptable for many people, you'll surely want to take your business game to the next level. Our Power BI team is always thinking about creating visualizations and apps that are scalable for growth and instructions for further implementations down the road as needed. Sometimes we are able to provide a structure that administrators are able to update on their own, so no additional expense is necessary. Once you have a plan in place regarding your BI technology needs, it will be easier to see your company's requirements as a whole. This can help you better predict when situations might strike in the future. Our consultants will train your staff, whether it be one administrator or many end users. We want to allow your organization to fully embrace the functionality of Power BI and the impact results it provides. We are always available to answer calls or emails regarding your Power BI solutions we have previously implemented. We'll be right there to answer your questions and put you right back on track. Contact us today to request a quote and a consultation from a team of experts who truly care about getting your business solutions needed to grow.